see very important problem, previous examination problem. Find the exponential Fourier series of impulse train shown, plot its magnitude and phase spectrum. So this is the impulse train given. So you can see various impulses at 0, t0, 2t0, minus t0, minus 2t0. Like that we want to find out the exponential Fourier series of this impulse train. Sometimes this question will be given also like this in the form of equation. X of t is equal to summation k is equal to minus infinity to infinity del of t minus kt naught. If you substitute k is equal to 0, you get del of t impulse. If you substitute k is equal to 1, del of t minus t naught impulse. Like that, if you substitute all k values, you will get this impulse train. So before going to solve this problem, let us find the exponential Fourier series of this rectangular pulse. So take this rectangular pulse, say 0, which is extending from minus tau by 2 to tau by 2. So say this is t0. Say take another rectangular pulse, say this is minus t0. So like that. So let us say the amplitude is say this is x of t versus t. For example, say it is extending on both sides. So let us say this is minus t0 by 2 to t0 by 2. So this is one period. So first we find the exponential Fourier series of these rectangular pulses. In the answer, what is the area of this? Width is tau and height is a. What is the area? So area is a tau. If tau tends to 0 and a tau tends to 1, so this rectangular pulses will become impulses. So that is, if a tau tends to 1 and the width tau tends to 0, so then these rectangular pulses will become impulses. So that is what the approach we follow to find out the exponential Fourier series of this. Let us find the exponential Fourier series of this and substitute these two conditions. So the exponential Fourier series of periodic signal x of t is, so that means this is above signal. What is the exponential Fourier series formula? Very simple formula. Summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity Cn into e power j n omega 0 t. So what is the interval? t0 less than t less than t0 plus 2 pi by omega 0. So that is one cycle we consider. So therefore this is also treated as one time period. So take this as the time period. So minus t0 by 2 to t0 by 2, that will become t0. So the impulse time period is also t0. Here, so what is the formula for Cn? Here Cn is equal to 1 by t. First write the original formula. So t0 to t0 plus capital T. So x of t into e power minus j n omega 0 t dt. So but what is x of t? What is the time period of the given waveform? 1 by t0. So integral from this x of t is extending from t0 by 2 to, take one cycle, minus t0 by 2 to t0 by 2, x of t into e power minus j n omega 0 t dt. So but again in this interval, so the rectangular pulses are extending from minus tau by 2 to tau by 2. So in this interval, x of t amplitude is a, take a outside. So e power minus j n omega 0 t dt. So what is the integration of this? A by minus j n omega 0 t0 into e power minus j n omega 0 t. Substitute the limits, minus tau by 2 to tau by 2. So let us write again this one here. So this one here. So therefore Cn is equal to, take minus sign inside. So therefore it will become a j n omega naught t naught. If you take minus sign inside, so it will become a j n omega 0 tau by 2 minus e power minus j n omega 0 tau by 2. So what is the answer of this? A by j n omega naught T naught into what is the answer of this? 2j sine of n omega 0 tau by 2. So you can see that jj gets cancels out, convert this formula into, let us call this as theta, sine theta by theta format. So let us do that. So therefore it is written as like this, a tau by t naught. Let us see this, how I convert. So sine n omega naught tau by 2 by n omega naught tau by 2. So you can check that tau gets cancels out, 2 will give to the numerator, n omega naught t naught. So the upper term will remain as it is. So this is the coefficient formula Cn. So rectangular pulses. So in this rectangular pulses, what we have to substitute? Let the area of each rectangular pulse will tend to 1 and width of the rectangular pulse will tend to 0. So then it will become an impulse. So therefore limit a tau tends to 1, tau tends to 0. So that is what we are substituting here. A tau by t naught sine of n omega naught tau by 2 by n omega naught tau by 2. So you can clearly see that what is limit theta tends to 0 sine theta by theta from limits formulas. So it is 1. So therefore limit tau tends to 0 sine theta by theta format, limit theta tends to 0 sine theta by theta format, the answer of this is 1. So if you substitute a tau is equal to 1, so the exponential Fourier series coefficients will become 1 by t naught. Very simple formula, Cn is equal to 1 by t naught. So this is the answer. So therefore let us substitute in the exponential Fourier series. Then therefore what you can write, n is equal to minus infinity to infinity. In place of Cn, what is the answer? 1 by t naught. The time period of the impulses, e power j n omega naught t. So this is the answer for this very important problem for competitive examinations. Just what is the answer? Just you have to remember 1 by t naught. So in the interval, what is the interval? We have considered t0 minus t0 by 2 less than t less than t0 by 2. So this is the answer for this very important problem. Now, so let us plot the magnitudes. So what is the magnitude here? The magnitude of exponential Fourier series coefficients versus n. So 0, so very simple, 1, 2, 3, so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. So what are the amplitudes? All the amplitudes, you can see that all the amplitudes are 1 by t0. All the amplitudes are, you can see that 1 by t0. Since C1 is 1 by t0, C2 is 1 by t0, like that, so on, so on. Just again, the answer of exponential Fourier series coefficients is impulses. Instead of 1, we have to write it as 1 by t naught, where t naught is the time period of the impulses. So now let us draw the phase spectrum. So this is the magnitude spectrum. So let us draw the phase spectrum. So what is the phase spectrum? Angle of exponential Fourier series coefficients versus n, angle of Fourier series coefficients versus 1. So therefore, what is the n is equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So we can see that, so Cn is, what is Cn? Cn is equal to 1 by t naught. It has having only real part, imaginary part is 0. So therefore, what are all the angles of exponential Fourier series coefficients? All the angles of exponential Fourier series coefficients are 0. So this is the very important. So this is the very important problem for competitive exams, which is also given in previous examinations. Thank you.